Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a bread pudding with cinnamon rolls. Stick around.
Alright, to start our pudding, we got our cinnamon rolls here. First thing we're going to do is, and we got 3 eggs here, a pound of butter, we got some whipping cream, and a little vanilla extract. Start by cracking this a couple of eggs in here. We're going to get those beat up. Try not to make no mess. A mess. We got an oven over there preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. There should be plenty of sugar on the sweet rolls already. But I'm going to add a little bit more of some brown sugar. About 1/4 cup. And a little bit of cane sugar. About the same. And then we'll go in with our heavy cream. We got 16 ounces here. Looks good. Give that a little mix. Get that all combined there. Alrighty, set this aside. And I added a teaspoon of the vanilla. I just did it off camera. I got sidetracked a little bit there. Alright, well, I took this off and realized I still had the paper up under here. Make sure you peel that off before you start cutting there. Just heads up. You see me do it that way, know not to make that mistake yourself. And these got a little cream cheese in it, so I think that'll be a interesting flavor. And I'm gonna try to do these about 1 inch cubed, somewhere in that neck of the woods. Like so. You ain't gotta be perfect, but I mean, cause they're already cooked, so about like that. And I got my baking dish here, pre-buttered, and I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in the bottom. This is gonna be buttery. Just so you know. Of course, now I do love my butter. Those who've been following me for a while, you know that. I'm just gonna smash that down in there like so. Clean my knife off. We're gonna get all of that. Set this over in the sink. We're gonna put a little bit more butter on the top. Just to finish it off. Make it more decadent. Clog up some arteries. You don't have to go as buttery as I got going here. I just love my butter. And I'm still healthy. You know, I ain't completely all clogged up. And we got our custard here. And as you can tell, it's changed a little color with the vanilla that we added. We're just gonna pour this in. Try to get it to soak all in. Get all down in those crevices. This is gonna be awesome, awesome. Very delicious dessert. Spike the sugar. Oops. Making a mess. Make sure we get all our sugar and vanilla out of here. We're gonna let this set up just for a little bit before we stick it in the oven, just so we can let all the cream and soak into our bread a little bit before we stick it in the oven. Make sure you put this on a cookie sheet for all the bubble up that it's gonna do. Save you a mess in your oven. Every time I do a video, either the phone rings or somebody comes to the door. But just like that, we're gonna let this set up for a couple of minutes. Stick it in the oven for 350 degrees. We're gonna let that go roughly around an hour. I'll bring you back and let you know. All right, end results. It looks good, it smells good. Let's find out if it tastes good. I'm not gonna get too much because I haven't had my supper yet. But this is looking too good to pass up. Oh my God. Okay, rich and very decadent. And yes, it's okay for me to double dip. It's for me. My wife may get some, she might not. But it is delicious. Buttery. Oh, this is, I don't know what took me so long to make this before. This is a must do. Give this a try. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about me. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a comment. And we'll see you on the next one.